Standard English from a railway carriage. Meanings: which, a woman who is believed to have magical powers and who uses them to harm other people. Hedge, a line of bushes or small trees planted very close together. Ditch, a long narrow open channel dug into the ground, usually at the side of a road or field. Troop, a group of soldiers. Meadow, a field with grass and often wild flowers in it. Bramble, a wild bush with thorns that produces blackberries. Lumping, here moving with jerks. Glimpse, something that you see for very short time. Read the poem aloud with proper rhythm. What does the rhythm remind you of? The rhythm of the poem reminds me of the rhythm of the train. Question number 2. Find the pairs of rhyming words. Answer: witches, ditches, battle, cattle, plain, rain, again, I, by, scrambles, brambles, gazes, daisies, road, load, river, ever. Question number 3. Write the following. First, the sights seen through a railway carriage mentioned in first stanza. Answer: the sights seen through the railway carriage mentioned in the first stanza are bridges, houses, hedges, ditches, horses, and cattle in the meadows. Second, the sights mentioned in the second stanza. The sights seen in the second stanza are hills, plains, and painted stations. Third, the sights mentioned in the third stanza. The sights mentioned in the third stanza are child clambering and scrambling to gather brambles, a tramp gazing at the train in wonder, and green creepers for stringing the daisies. Question number 4. Think and answer. Why are the sights said to fly? The sights are said to fly because the poet is sitting in a fast moving train and all the beautiful scenes he gets to see as a glimpse just rush past him and disappear because of the speed of the train. Does the last line make you happy or sad? Why? Answer: the last line, and gone forever, makes me sad because all the pleasures and happiness got from enjoying the beauty of nature comes to an end and disappears forever as the railway carriage speeds ahead. Question number 5. List the lines that begin with here or and here. Also list the lines, sentences or phrases that begin with and here. Answer: the lines that begin with here or and here. Here is an adverb which suggests closeness of an object. A. Here is a child, here is a tramp, here is a cart, here is a mill. The above phrases show closeness to the train. There is an adverb which suggests distance of an object. And there is the green and there is the river. The above phrases show distance from the train. Question number 6. Read the following. Charging along like troops in a battle. Fly as thick as driving rain. Using your imagination, write one or two comparisons each with like, as. Answer: like. This house looks like a castle. Her cheeks are red like a rose. He runs like a horse. The child chattered like a magpie. As. He is as smart as fox. He is as big as an elephant. He is as funny as a monkey. Our soldiers are as brave as lions. Question number 7. Write about the sights you may seen from a bus or an aeroplane. You may write it in the form of short poem. Here I have written it in the form of short poem. The red bus. I am outside seeing the red bus with people around making lot of fuss. I know I am going to see wonderful sights that will soar me to the height. The greenery, the scenery, oh the wonderful luxury of traveling in the red bus. Question number 8. Find and read other poems of R.L. Stevenson using the internet. Find the other rhythmic poem about trains in English or other languages. Answer: some poems which you could refer to. The Railway Train by Emily Dickinson, Train Journey by Judith Wright, Rail Gadi by Harindranath Chattopadhyay, In the Train by James Thomson. Here our lesson is completed. For such more videos, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.